Hello, my name is Taylor Ross. I'm an Aximmetry ambassador and the owner of Frustum Virtual in Los Angeles, California. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add camera roll to your virtual camera. Camera roll is a rotational camera movement that rotates the camera over its side on its long axis. In cinematography, rolls can be dizzying and unnatural. For this reason, filmmakers use it to disorient the audience or create uneasiness. I will just quickly open Aximmetry DE Composer to show you how to add camera roll to a virtual camera. I already have a project set up to showcase camera roll. In my preview one, you can see that my camera is rolling side to side. By default, Aximmetry does not have this setting enabled. In order to enable roll in Aximmetry DE Composer, we're going to navigate to File in the upper left-hand corner. Select Properties or Control E on the keyboard. Find the Scene Editing tab. Next to Camera Mover System, just turn on this Allow Roll setting. With this setting turned on, we will now be able to roll our virtual camera. I will navigate to my Cameras tab at the top, select Position A in Edit Camera Path. Now we can hold Alt on the keyboard and use the middle mouse scroll wheel to add roll to our virtual camera. There is no limit on how much roll you can add to your virtual camera. I will roll my camera to be fully upside down just to showcase this. Once you're happy with the amount of roll that you've added to your virtual camera, you can navigate back to your Cameras tab, select Play in the Edit Camera Path, and now your camera should be rolling. As I mentioned before, rolls can be dizzying and unnatural. For this reason, filmmakers use it to disorient the audience or create uneasiness. I use this technique a lot in music videos, just to make the camera movement a little bit more interesting. With that, you should have your camera roll enabled and be able to roll your camera. Hopefully this video was helpful in showing you how to add camera roll to your virtual cameras in Aximmetry DE Composer. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.